In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and prepare autumn-themed digital products for your online shop. We're going to move through this in a simple, practical way, from generating your artwork all the way to getting your listings ready and setting up a seasonal promotion. The goal here is to create a polished autumn product collection that looks professional and is optimized for selling as a digital download. Start by opening Chrome, then head to an online artificial intelligence text-to-image generation platform. This is where you'll create the visual assets for your collection. For this project, focus specifically on autumn-themed graphic patterns, digital graphic backgrounds, or seasonal clip art packages. Think in terms of warm fall colors, leaves, pumpkins, acorns, plaid textures, cozy seasonal elements, and other visuals that fit the autumn aesthetic. As you generate your images, try to keep the style of the collection consistent. That will make your final product feel more cohesive and more appealing to customers who want a coordinated set of graphics. Once your artwork is generated, the next step is to improve the resolution so the files are crisp and ready for high quality use. Take all of your finished images and upload them into a bulk online scaling tool. The purpose here is to instantly upscale the image resolution and bring everything to a sharp 300 dpi standard. This is especially important for digital products because buyers often expect clean professional files that can be used in printing or high resolution design work. Before moving on, make sure the upscaled images still look clear and that the details remain sharp. After your art assets have been optimized, go to your Shop Manager control board and begin creating new digital download listings. Bulk upload your files into those listings to save time and keep your workflow efficient. As you do this, make sure each listing matches the type of product you created, whether that's pattern bundles, background sets, or clip art packages. The key here is organization. Keeping your uploads grouped properly will make your shop look more professional and help customers understand exactly what they're purchasing. Finally, set up an active automated autumn seasonal sale event code. This helps streamline client conversions by giving shoppers an immediate incentive to buy. While the theme is timely and relevant, a seasonal discount can also help your new listings get early traction, especially when paired with a cohesive fall collection. That's the full process. Create the autumn artwork, upscale it for professional quality, upload it into digital listings, and activate your seasonal sale so your shop is ready for customers.